Today we're going to develop our social contract. The social contract is the rules for our classroom. And what we're going to do is we are going to talk about how you want to feel in this classroom and be treated by one another, how you want me to treat you, and how do you think I want to be treated by you. These are going to be our rules for our classroom. So right now, thinking those three things, could you turn and talk to one another and talk amongst yourself about what that might look like and come up with a few ideas of what we need to put on our social contract as to, we're going to make a list of things that we're going to follow in this classroom. So go ahead and turn and talk.
I think that I want to be treated with respect.
Okay. I was thinking fair or equal.
I like that.
Okay. That's a couple. That's good. We're gonna develop a whole list. Let's start with those first few. Who can tell me something that how you want to be treated by me and the rest of the kids in this classroom, and also something. Hopefully, that same rule will be how you think I want to be treated by you. So, what is one thing that I could put on our social contract, a rule for us to follow? What word do you think? I heard somebody, Eric, I heard you say a word, how you want it to be treated.
I think we should be treated with respect, respectfully.
Okay. Respectfully. Can I see a show of hands of who wants to be seen or be treated respectfully? If you think that's true. Okay. Okay. Very good. What's something else? How else do you want to be treated in this classroom?
I was thinking fair.
Okay, fairly. Can you give me an example of what that may look like?
Just when you would expect the same out of someone else's behavior as mine, or they don't get away with something I wouldn't get away with.
Okay, good, good. Do you think these are two things, two examples of, or words that how I want to be treated as well? Is this something you want to be treated, how you want to be treated by one another, and how you want me to treat you, as well as how I want to be treated by you? Do you think those hold true for all three of those topics?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you come up with one more that you can think of? How do you want to be treated? Think it in past classroom experiences. How do you want to be treated?
Well, I feel like they're bringing up things about, just being treated with the golden rule. Just treat others the way you want to be treated, because I think that would apply to all of us.
Okay. Okay. So I'm going to put the golden rule up here. Okay, and I want to go back to fairly. Who thinks that this is a good rule for our classroom, for people to treat each other fairly? 1, 2, 3. Okay. We'll add that to our list. And the golden rule? No discrepancies? Okay. All right. All right. Well, let's continue our conversation about what this looks like. And we'll come up with a whole list and create a whole classroom social contract.